What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a Harley Davidson, a 2000 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Obviously, it's got some custom modifications, some paint, some motor work. It's even got an open primary on the other side. You're not going to believe how many miles are on this bike. Let's take a quick walk around it so you can see up close and personal. So starting here in the back, see that back tire's got, I'd say, plenty of tread left. Going to call it maybe 70 or 80%. Definitely good to go for a state inspection. Definitely safe to ride on. One of the imperfections I want to point out right away is here on this rear fender. It looks almost like this guy was backing into a garage and he was backing it into the wall. It's got these little marks here on the, actually this one's just gonna come off my thumbnail, which is good. But it's got this scratch here, this scratch here. So those are there, know that. Just coming up, you got the tail light, you got your two turn signals, got that license plate mount, kind of got that rounded look to it. Keep on coming up, you have the luggage rack in the back of the sissy bar. Obviously, these things are self-explanatory, but if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're actually interested in buying this bike. It does have the chameleon, like raised panel paint scheme, which is awesome. It's a good look. That was pretty hot there for a while. Got the side of the fender here. Got one little mark there on the side of the fender I want to point out, and just some. Actually, nope, that's not marks. Thought it was some fading. It's actually just a little smudge for my hands. You can see it's got the solid rear wheel. Thing looks like a mirror. There you go. You can even see my camera in there. Got your rear brake. Got all that stuff going on. Got this custom seat. That seat's all one piece. We'll get to that a little bit later. Of course, you have the toolkit on the side. Got your passenger peg. You got those like the swept Vance & Hines pipes. This thing sounds awesome. It definitely has some motor work. It's pretty hopped up. You have your chrome oil reservoir there, have your motor, you got the S&S Super Air Cleaner, all that stuff, the ported, CNC ported motor, there's all that. You got your rider peg, you got your rear brake. On the side of the tank here, you can see that chameleon 3D flame paint logo, looking good. See if I can, there you go, you can see that change in color there. This bike is injected, but it's got the fast idle. I'll keep coming around. Got that solid front wheel. Again, that thing is like a mirror. You can see my camera in there. Got this side of the fender here. Got a just a little white stuff wiped off with my hands. Let's see what else I can find. Anything else? Got some light scratches up here. Well, actually, those aren't even scratches. Those are coming off too. There's a mark up there, though. I do want to point that out. See that? Spin this thing around. Got that headlight with the auxiliary lights. Of course, you have your mirrors up top. You got your turn signals down here underneath. You got that flame paint job continuing here on the front fender, looking good. Got some light marks here on the front fender. I just wanted to point out so you can see that on the nose there. I got one right there. That's about it, though. Of course, you have your front tire here. Front tire's a little more worn down than the back tire. Gonna call it maybe like 40%. Definitely still safe to ride on. I think it would pass the state inspection. Of course, you have your fork tubes there. They're looking good. Same thing on this side. Coming down to your front brake there, and there's that solid front wheel from the other side. Jumping to the tank up here on this side. I mean, this is a 2000. It's in really nice shape for 2000. You're not gonna believe how many miles are on this thing. So you got that chameleon paint job continuing on this side. Got a nick right there. Got a mark right there. Show you the motor from this side. There is that. You have your rider peg here. You got your shifter. There's that open primary with that big wide belt. You got your kickstand there. Got your passenger peg, toolkit on this side, other side of that oil reservoir. Keep on moving. You got the chrome belt guard coming back here to the rear wheel. There's the other side of that solid rear wheel and the side of the rear fender. So all that stuff already. Jump up here to the sissy bar. All the stitching and everything is good on that padding. Like I said, this passenger seat and the rider seat is actually one piece. This chrome accent in between is what connects them. But the passenger seat, I would say it's on the firm side. but it's in good shape, not torn, no rips or anything like that. Same thing on the rider seat, probably a little more on the firm side, but in good shape. Coming up over the tank, of course you got your gauges here. It does have the Carlini bars. Can't really see it. Let's get it from their side. Let's do that right now, actually. The Carlini there. You should have your custom grips for your clutch. Yeah, custom grips, custom levers, clutch and brake, throttle. Got all the custom buttons and everything here. Turn it on. You guys aren't gonna believe it. This thing has 71,139 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube. But let's fire this thing up, see what it sounds like. Oh, I'm gonna have to hold in the clutch. Why is it not doing it? Probably should take the kill switch off. That's a good way to start a motorcycle. Give a little bit of that. Well, I just started to ride it up here. Not sure why it's not cooperating. I'm missing something there.
Alright, here's the fuel. Fuel is on. Just put on reserve. Where's the choke?
The only thing I found, I thought this was a fast idle. I guess maybe it's a choke. This.
On these SNS motors, carbureted. This is the choke. So pull the choke up. It's a probably a SNS carb. Pull the choke up, crack the throttle twice, and then just jump on the start button. It's canned. It's gonna have that little like low spot when you first start it. That's kind of normal. But it actually fires up pretty good.
Cool. Thank you. Make sure our turn signals work here. That right signal. Right signal in the front. Oh, see that auxiliary light is out. Sure. Left signal there. Left signal in the back. And the right signal in the back. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2000 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Obviously has some motor work, a little hopped up. Heard it run. If you want to see the test drive, make sure you check it out on YouTube and check out this bike at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.